How to add ACS to your Roblox game. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is, of course, open our game right here. So let's say, for example, that this is the game wherein we want to add the guns that we want to add. So the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the view section and then make sure that you have enabled Explorer, Properties, and Toolbox. So make sure that you enable all of those in order for this to work. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the toolbox. So let's do that right here. And then on the search bar, let's type ACS official, which is right there. And then once you search that, you will now be able to see all of the version that is available for you to use. So you will see 2.01, 1.7, 1.7.5, and so on. So you will also be able to see the ratings of each version. So currently this has 75% ratings, and for this one it has 81%, and then for this one it has 52%. So it's up to you whether what package you will use right here. But let's say, for example, that we want to use this 2.01 version of ACS. So let's just click that. And then once you click that, click this OK. And then you should now be redirected in this page. So let me just zoom in right here. Once you zoom in right here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the Explorer. So let me just do this. And then on this part, you will see this ACS 2.0 official release. So just click the drop down menu and then you will now be able to see all of this. Now what we're going to do, so you will see this that it says ungrouped in replicated storage. So what we're going to do here is to open this and then let's drag this ACS engine into replicated storage, which is right here, and then do the same for the rest. And then for this tools, what we're going to do is to highlight all of this and then let's drag this into starter pack, which is right here. So let's do that. And then once you do that, and then on this part, just do the same. So drag this into server script service. So let's put it right here. And then also same for this one on the sound service. And for the starter player scripts. And then let's do this. Let's click that. And then let's ungroup this in workspace. And then once you do that, all of that, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on home and then click this game settings and then click save to Roblox. And then just change the basic information right here. I will just leave it as it is and then click save right here and then click close. So let's wait for this to load again. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do again is to click the game settings and then click avatar. And then for this one, what we're going to do on the avatar type is to click the R6. So make sure that you click R6 and then click save and then click yes. And then once you do that, you can actually test this by just clicking this play button. And then as you can see, we now have here the flashbangs, all of the guns that we have added in using the ACS script. So it's up to you if you want to use that. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to add ACS to your Roblox game.